Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you have seen my previous video, that was the haul video, you must have seen that I was wearing pistachio green and a nude color on my right hand. So in this video I'm gonna continue with those base colors only, and these colors give me the idea that why not make a camouflage design on the nails. So let's get started. I will be using the usual camouflage colors, which are browns and greens. And yes, I am a righty, but here I am using my left hand to do the design since I swatched the colors on my right hand. But of course you can do on the hand you're comfortable in, and because this design is mainly patchy, so it doesn't matter. So after finishing, I have applied a matte top coat. So here you go, that's the finished look. I hope you liked it, and also please like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel for more such nail art videos, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So thanks for watching, take care, I will see you next week, and bye.